when you want to use handgun for the whole entire round.
Ooh, I'm gonna pick handgun. I need to run. Wait, what?
That is not supposed to happen. Handgun is broken. Underrated, I get.
Ah!
Get my handgun. Oh my God! I reloaded. Handgun, please work. Maybe if I get around. I don't even like handgun. Why am I using it? It knows my secret. Zion, what are you doing? You know what? This sucked. Just as warm.
Handgun work. Ah!
Die. Die. Die.